Welcome back to my channel, Math and Language. This is James, your Math and Language instructor. For today, we have a math video and we're going to discuss differential calculus, how to find the derivative. So we have 5 lessons. Una, we have constant rule. Pangalawa is the power rule. Pangatlo is the product rule. Pangapat naman ay quotient rule. At ang last lesson natin ay basic chain rule. Okay, let's start with lesson 1, constant rule. We have 3 rules. Yung una, pag may coefficient ka tapos variable, ang sagot mo lang dito ay constant pag kinuha mo yung derivative. Pangalawa, pag meron kang variable lang, no exponent, or exponent niya ay 1, ang magiging sagot ay 1 na lang. And lastly, pag meron kang constant tapos kukunin mo yung derivative nito, magiging 0 na lang ito. So let's have some example. Una, we have 3x. So ang sagot dito ay 3 na lang. Mawawala na yung variable, magitira yung constant. Next, we have just a variable, stand-alone variable lang, magiging 1 na lang ito. And lastly, pag constant lang siya, automatic ang sagot dito ay 0. Pag kukunin yung derivative ha. Okay, next rule, we have the power rule. So, paano natin kukunin ang derivative ng isang variable na may exponent? Ang simple lang to. Yung exponent, ibababa mo, lagay mo sa harap, tapos babawasan mo ng isa yung exponent na yon. So, makikita mo nx to the n minus 1. Let's see some example. We have the function x to the 4th plus 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x minus 2. So, una natin gagawin yung x to the 4th muna. Yung 4, lalagay natin sa harap. So, magiging 4x. Ngayon, babawasan natin ng isa, yung exponent ng 4. So, that will be 3. So, that will be 4x cubed. Next tayo, 3x cubed naman. So, as usual, yung 3, lalagyan natin sa harap. So, 3 times 3, that will be 9. Tapos, x cubed, yung 3, mababawasan ng isa, magiging 2. So, that will be 9x squared. Paano naman yung 2x squared? Okay. So, yung 2, bababa mo siya, times mo siya sa 2, that will be 4, and 2 minus 1 is 1, so that will be x to the 1, or x to the first power. That will be 4x to the first power. Tapos yung 5x, magiging 5 na lang, according to the constant rule. At yung 2, 0 na lang. So, if we're going to simplify it, the answer is 4x cubed plus 9x squared minus 4x plus 5. Ayun yung derivative ng function. Okay, next example. Paano naman pag negative exponent? So, same rule apply naman. Yung negative, kunyari, x to the negative 3. Yung negative 3, lalagay mo sa harap, that will be negative 3x. So, tapos, yung exponent, pabawasan mo ng isa. Negative 3 minus mo ng 1, that will be negative 4. So, ang sagot ay negative 3x to the negative 4. Or, negative 3 over x to the 4. Let's have another example. Paano naman pag fraction na exponent? Same rules will apply naman din. So, yung nangyari, x to the 5/3. So, yung 5/3, lalagay mo sa harap, tapos babawasan mo ng isa yung exponent na yon. So, magiging 5/3 x to the 5/3 minus 1. So, ang sagot, ang 5/3 minus 1 ay 2/3, di ba? So, ang magiging sagot natin ay 5/3 x to the 2/3. Alright, next lesson tayo, product rule. Ito ginagamit natin pag mag-multiply tayo ng dalawang function na medyo complicated, okay? So, let's see the formula. So, we have u dv over dx plus v du over dx, or yung unang function na f, ito times natin sa derivative ng g, pa-plus natin sa g na function, na times natin sa derivative ng f na function. So, let's see some examples na lang. We have y is equal to the quantity x squared minus 1 times the quantity x to the 4 plus 2x minus 1. Gagamitin natin yung product rule. So, as stated, as is muna yung unang function, which is x squared minus 1. The times mo sa derivative ng x to the 4 plus 2x minus 1. So that will be 4x cubed plus 2. Ngayon, ipa-plus naman natin siya sa yung g function, which is x to the 4 plus 2x minus 1. Tapos, dun mo siya ita-times sa derivative ng f na function. So that is 2x. So the answer is 6x to the 5th minus 4x cubed plus 6x squared minus 2x minus 2 pag na-simplify na. Next lesson tayo, we're going to discuss quotient rule. So quotient rule ay dalawang formulas na pwede mong gamitin. Ayun yung nasa screen, kaso may mas madali dyan. Ituturo ko sa inyo. Ito ang low di high minus high di low over low low. So yung low function, multiply natin sa derivative ng high function, ma-minus mo sa high function na times mo sa derivative ng low, over mo dun sa low function na iti-times sa sarili niya. So let's see some example na lang para mas madali. So we have the function x cubed plus 1 over 3x minus 1. So as stated in the formula, yung low di high minus high di low over low low, yung low muna, which is 3x minus 1. Okay, nalagay ko na. Tapos, multiply natin siya sa derivative ng high function, which is x cubed plus 1, which is, the derivative of that one is 3x squared. So, may color naman para mas madali. Next, ima-minus natin ito sa high function, which is x cubed plus 1, as is lang. Okay, next one, we have the times natin sa derivative ng low function ng 3x minus 1, which is 3. Tapos, i-over natin sa 3x minus 1 square. Kasi low. So, dahil nalagay na natin, simplify natin. Kahit yung sa taas na lang yung simplify natin. Yung sa baba, as is na lang. So, the answer is 3 times the quantity 2x cubed minus x squared minus 1 over the quantity 3x minus 1 square. Alright, so last lesson tayo, chain rule. So sa chain rule, ang formula lang nito is yung derivative of outside function leaving inside alone, i-multiply natin sa derivative of inside function. So let's see some example. We have y is equal to the quantity 3x plus 2 to the 7th power. So paano natin gagawin yun? So sabi dito, derivative of outside function leaving inside alone. So yung 7 na exponent, ibababa mo, tapos babawasan mo siya ng isa. So 7 times the quantity 3x plus 2 to the 6th power. Next, imamultiply natin to sa derivative of inside function. Ano bang derivative ng 3x plus 2? That will be 3. So, to simplify, 7 times 3 is 21. Tapos, yung 3x plus 2 to the 6th power. And that's the answer. Kaso, kailan ba natin gagamitin ang chain rule? Let's see some example. We have 4x plus 1. Gagamitin mo ba yung chain rule? Pwede ka naman gumamit kahit nga constant rule lang Not needed. X to the 8, hindi naman ganun ka-komplikado. So, pwede ko naman siyang gamitin ng power rule. Yung 8 baba ko, so 8x to the 7th power na. 5x plus 1 to the 9th power. Yes, gamitin natin ng chain rule to. Mahirapan kung i-expand mo pa yan, aabutin ka ng siyam-siyam. So, mag-chain rule tayo dito. Next, x squared plus 2 to the 10th power. Yes, of course. Masyadong mahaba to. Chain rule na lang to save some time. And that's the end of the video on how to find the derivative. If you would like to comment or suggest another math and language video, please comment down below. Again, this is James, your math and language instructor. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.